How to delete Samsung keyboard text shortcuts on a Samsung Galaxy A15. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Then we scroll down and then tap on general management. Now tap on Samsung keyboard settings. And then we go down and tap on text shortcuts. In here, to delete your text shortcuts, just tap on the trash icon at the top here. Once you tap on that, it will go into an edit mode. So select the shortcuts that you want to remove and then tap on the delete button here or the trash icon, then tap on delete. And that's it. That is how you can delete your Samsung keyboard text shortcuts. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.